After they have finished for my car, bro.
Alright, guys. So we were Daniel and we were Todd. Wait, what?
T.
Oh my god.
Nah, I was thinking about some dude at the gym. That's why. But his name is Todd.
He said Todd.
What? I thought he said tired.
Nah, I said Ty, but still. We're at Steak and Shake. We're gonna get something to eat, and yeah, we're gonna get something to eat, and yeah, we're gonna go to the shop today. We're gonna start some work on the our goal. Our goal today is to get that motor out.
Okay.
Engine out? Yeah.
The engine out the black side. Yeah, the engine and the transmission, and see if we can start on the blue one. That's our goal for today. But look at this motherfucker. He still has to change. But yeah.
Bro, that's good.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and eat and we'll get back to you guys in a bit. I got a normal burger. What'd you get?
Western barbecue bacon steakhouse burger.
Oh, okay. What about you, bro?
I got the classic steak burger with the steak hot dog.
This nigga know everything. Alright.
Sweet tea.
I got the same thing as you. Bacon and cheese. I
You
think.
fucking ugly. You my son. Alright. Alright, guys. So, what we're gonna do is go to the shop after
Jay
this.
built like this, right, bro? He built like this,
We're
right?
gonna go to the shop after this and yeah, start working on the saab. So, I can you up? I didn't fuck nobody up. Alright, guys. So, oh shit. Stupid ass. Hit the damn door mad hard on my hand. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got hella cum stain. Nah, I'm messing. It's just I don't know what the fuck they are, to be honest. But we made it to the shop
Safely, you know?
safely. Daniel and T are. Oh, turn off the lights real quick.
Oh my god! I'm about to drop my
Daniel and T are on their way here. They went home to change real quick. We're gonna be here in like around 10 minutes, but we're gonna just open up, start on the car. And get all the tools inside because it's fucking freezing in this bitch. So today we're gonna try to get most of the harness stuff off out of the way so we could just like whoop with this shit. That whoop, 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 and then take it off. And then like we need to dismount tranny mounts from the underneath and everything. Yeah?
Yeah,
We're going?
You know what I'm saying? Everyone
Like a homeless man with that shit on. Alright.
turbo it, bro.
I want to. Imagine. I think before I crashed the car, damn, so fucking loud. Before I crashed the car, I had told you guys I wanted a turbo that one. I don't know about this one. We're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to find out because, like, you know, your boy isn't that rich. You know, I'm low key broke. So yeah. We're gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and we'll get right back with you guys in a bit. I'll start recording as soon as Daniel comes, so we can start vlogging, I guess. Vlogging with the car. I mean, we started vlogging, but with the car and working on the car. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys in a bit. What you say?
Jerry beats me like this, guys. He goes like this.
Nah, I use the other one. I use the sharp ones.
He goes.
Nigga, gay as fuck.
video.
Huh?
¿Cómo te sientes?
What?
I said, welcome to another video. How do you feel?
Because it was teased
said
up
to
and
the
they want to come
wheel.
off.
No, I'm saying, why are you taking it off?
Oh, because
He
I don't want to
said
take this
what's
with the
wrong
motor.
with
Huh?
I don't want to take this with the motor.
Oh, you don't want this?
Yeah, because look, these are extra lines that go out to this stuff.
Oh, because it's automatic.
Yeah.
And he said how many horsepower to the wheel?
To the wheels,
How much do you think the Beamer has to the wheels?
like 300.
Say 350.
350.
Yeah, around 350. Is it tuned?
Shit, I can get it to it if I really wanted to race that bitch.
It's a V6, right? Yeah,
Twin
like
turbo.
350.
It's 335 though.
But like 350 though.
Yeah.
Like 350 to the wheels on a stock tune.
350. Nigga, you just put 335.
Bring me
14.
14.
Nigga, that's the model.
I mean, I said 14. 14.
Stupid ass.
There, come here.
Oh shit.
Did you bring the down? The one that I told you? Huh? Did you bring the fuck? I forgot.
Yeah, yes.
Of course you
I
did.
told you to call me, you dickhead.
I did call you, bitch.
You didn't tell me to call.
I'm
Jay,
what? Where you at?
Nigga! Oh, you dripping oil. The oil filter is dripping.
For real?
Yeah.
You lying, bro.
Yeah, no, it is. Hey, you have gloves?
Yeah?
I just don't really want to wear, you know.
I got gloves.
thank you.
Alright, so I don't got gloves.
Yo, give me the 14.
Hey, do y'all have money to buy gear?
No.
Not today.
Oh no. I struggle to find it.
Alright, give me the direction.
Alright guys, so we're gonna work on this a little longer. We'll be back. After hopefully they're done with the engines, man.
Alright, the meat stick. The meat stick is on. The meat stick is alight, by the way, guys. What happened? What'd you say?
If you got a Mustang, and if you talk trash first,
You're a fucking ass.
fuck you. That's why you hate crabs. Appreciate it.
I got you taking this.
Are you done with the transmission fluid?
Huh?
Are you done with the transmission fluid?
Yeah.
Alright, pass it to me. I'll go do it.
Alright,
Outside.
but slowly, motherfuckers. I'm not trying to make a mess.
I said I'm gonna do it outside. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but when he moves it.
Slowly.
It shot out with a pump.
It shot out. It shot out like cum.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Hey, during the summer, I want to change my clutch lines. You trying to do it?
Yeah, we can do that.
Cause I'm tired of that bitch not having being hard. So
Bitch, I'm very hard.
gonna take that
We need to take that off to take the drive shaft off.
Oh yeah. Oh, you took the drive shaft? Did you
The
take
drive
it off?
shaft off of that side is because when we towed it, we had to take it off since it's all-wheel drive.
Oh yeah. Makes sense. Huh?
Huh?
Open the garage door.
Okay, give me a minute.
Alright, now.
Dude. Don't make a mess.
Oh, I haven't dropped it yet.
I just might don't do that.
Oh shit. Right there, those bolts. These? No, four. Oh my god, it's cold. It is cold, bro.
But close it. Oh my.
That is so cold, bro.
What's code? Huh?
The
What'd you say it was code?
the damn garage door outside.
Oh yeah, it's cold as fuck. It's fucking shaking, look.
Oh my gosh, I can't even get it off. It's cold. Why does it smell like dog food out there?
I don't know, bro. I really don't. I really don't. I thought the same thing when I pulled up, bro. I was like, what the fuck does it smell like dog food? It smell like that puppy chow.
Look at these motherfuckers. It's hard, bro.
I think it's a 12. Is that one?
Yeah. That's all. You rock, buddy.
Told you.
You rock, cuz.
I know my sockets.
You rock, cuz. You rock. How you know? How'd you know that?
I know my sockets. You got this. Look at the dude. Look at the dude.
It's cold as fuck.
Let me get the other one.
Bitch, it was like 8 o'clock. You had to be home at 10.
Oh, he gotta be home at 10.
Shit,
Not
I
like
have to, too.
on weekdays he does.
Oh.
I gotta be home at least 10:30.
Huh?
You said what?
I gotta be home at least 10:30 at the moment.
No, you don't.
On weekdays.
Oh.
Danny, doesn't matter what time you go home today?
Huh?
Does it matter what time you go home today?
No, but I gotta drink today. I gotta wake up at 7, so I wanna go home at least 12 or 11:30.
Oh, that's fine. We should have time. I think there's other ones here. Look, pass it to me.
Alright, now T.
You see?
Every single time you take a boat out, you put it right back in.
What did you say? He hasn't texted yet.
Dang it.
We're out here talking shit to Mustangs.
I swear.
Shit.
He was trying to get a Mustang drift.
Who was?
Something. Jeremy. Oh shit.
Lucky I had my hand on it so you don't get hit, Poppy. You just take that off, right?
See, I think
And then you
these
gotta
are
take the
these are
center
two
shaft bearing?
16s. I think. I'm not sure.
And then you gotta take the shaft. Alright.
And then you just pull the shaft out,
See, that was
like she said.
That's what was.
God.
That's what.
That's what the Beamer had. The center shaft bearing was messed up, so the drive shaft kept on regular. So that's what we had to change.
Oh,
This should, I think that's a 15. It says.
nah, it's not no 15, nigga. This is a 19. Oh shit. The fuck.
Well, damn, your tools are all fucked up, or
They're not in order.
obviously. Oh, here, try 17. I think this is
17. It's a 16 or 15, bro. I'm telling you, this shit's not gonna fit. See?
That's a 19. Okay. Jeremy,
Yeah.
Hey, can you try to find a 16?
or a 15
On what?
Half inch?
on the car.
Half inch?
Yeah.
Oh, this is actually 16. Try this one.
16 right here.
Hold on, try this one first. Doesn't that 16 or is that standard?
Not standard.
Oh.
Yeah, put the nuts back on.
Fucking Jerry ain't doing shit. Look at him.
All right, now
He think he's slick.
Hey, we gotta take these
He
bolts
think
off,
he's
right?
slick.
Jerry,
Huh?
we gotta take these bolts out.
Yeah, we gotta take the transmission mount.
Hell yeah, we got this. Hell yeah, good job, T. Hell yeah, T. You got this, T. Oh, fuck yeah, T. Good job, Jeremy.
You know what he doing, bro?
Facts, bro. I've been working on cars for years.
I don't know about that, T.
just kidding.
T was tight.
All right, so what am I doing now?
Alright, now we gotta take off the bolts from there.
You see these bolts right here? We gotta take these off because that's what holds
These are the
this
same
on.
size as
No,
these.
no, we gotta take the ones from there.
These? These, right?
Wait.
It's connected.
We gotta take all these bitches off. You know what I'm saying?
You don't have to take these off. That
Yeah.
just holds it down.
Yeah, because
Oh,
we're gonna need
yeah, it
to
has to
pull the
tilt it.
motor up.
It has to tilt. Yeah, you're right. Never mind.
We have to take it off from here, and then we gotta take it off from there after, because then it's not gonna. This part's not gonna let us get it out.
We
from
need to
over
jack it up though so it doesn't fall on us.
there. Yeah, I know. Wait, don't.
It's your boys. Skinny penis. Nah.
Skinny penis. All right, guys. So I don't know if this is the safest way to do it, but we're gonna try it like this. We're hooking the chain up to the block so I can pull this bitch out.
And we took out the transmission, or well, we took off the shift linkage. And we struggled with that for a good while. We struggled for a good while with that thing because they didn't want to come out. And I kept telling him to put it in drive, and they would. This dumbass puts it in reverse, bro.
What the fuck you talking about, nigga? You're the one that crushed your fingers like toys.
No, once, bitch.
All right, so bring me the cream.
What?
I might have to bring it up.
Hey, we have to lower down the transmission right now. Oh, have we never
Uh-oh.
took the thing off, have we?
What?
Okay.
Oh, there's
Okay, lower it.
He said all I'm saying is full
Huh?
today,
Yeah, bring it all the way. Okay, lower it. Move it in just a little more. Oh, that's it? Alright. See if we can do the work. Alright.
Yeah. Like this.
Oh,
You was hooking it like through the middle.
Yeah.
okay.
Wait. Let me go under and check to make sure. We gotta always double check the ding
I
dong.
think we have to take one off anyways.
Yeah, say we gotta take it off then.
We have to take 2 bolts off.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, see? Dickhead.
Pass me the.
What do you think? What do you think, T? What do we fuck this up?
I mean,
Is that your money, right? Is
I
that your
don't
money?
even know, so.
You're not even filming, dickhead. You're filming the food.
He said he only came for the food. Alright guys, so we finally got the engine with the transmission out.
Connected.
We struggled because at first, what was getting called the transmission, right?
The transmission, where the front CV axles go in. Hey, bring me the gun.
Kept getting caught, right? It kept getting caught. On what, the subframe, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, right now we got it up. We got the transmission out with it,
Bro, ask for your password.
but it's leaking like crazy. That's the big problem right now. We're gonna let it leak. Well, actually it's not that bad. Right now.
We get that shit done.
Look how high we got this thing up. Look how high this thing is. Bro, you think it's a thumbnail? Thumbnail.
It only took like an hour.
Bro, get a thumbnail.
Yeah, so Daniel's being negative right now, saying this is gonna fall down on Jerry.
No, but thank. Shit, bro. We actually did it.
Hell yeah, just like Daniel said too, we're gonna get. Actually, me and Daniel said it. We're gonna take the engine and transmission. It came with it, bro. So, remember you said we are gonna take the engine out, and that's how we're gonna take the transmission out too. Well, we did it.
Like, is this in the car?
Two in one, bro. 2 in 1.
Whenever we saw the 300, we didn't have it on Jackson's.
What you thinking, bro?
Bro, we jacked it up. So you know, I didn't take the transmission out.
Pretty cool, ain't it?
Sweet.
They did exactly what
No,
yours
but
did.
really?
Out,
I'm cold. Shoot. You said once we start working, it would get warmer. It's still cold.
I'm warm. I've been warm.
Heat's supposed to be rising. I felt like I was warming down.
I'm good right now. I feel like so happy right now, bro, that we took this shit out finally.
To be honest.
Cause me and Jerry alone, we probably would have never done it, bro. Like we probably would have done it, but it would have taken like way longer.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I mean,
See?
we're not really lazy
Yeah,
right
we
now.
took
We're
30
just trying
minutes
to
to
wait for
actually
it
take the
to.
engine.
Huh? Alright, you said what?
We're just waiting for it to drain a little
Yeah,
bit.
we're just waiting for it to drain out because we don't want it to get on the paint and ruin it.
Like on the floor over there.
Nah, we don't give a fuck about the floor. Fuck the floor. Look.
I'll let it get you.
Alright guys, so we have this engine up for sale for 20 bucks. What'd you think, Jerry? 20 bucks? Jerry, you thinking 20
Bro,
bucks
if
for
you were to
this?
sell this, how much would you sell it for?
Not really. It's not worth anything. I mean, the transmission is.
Yeah.
I mean, the transmission works, but the motor doesn't.
20 bucks. 20 bucks.
Let me see. I'm gonna snap this.
Alright guys, so we pulled out the engine, the transmission with it.
All right,
Basically
guys.
done with the black soft right
Yeah,
now.
we're basically almost done with the black soft. We're halfway there.
We need the blue
gotta,
one.
We gotta take the motor out the blue one right now. Well, not right now, but tomorrow.
Next time.
And well, next time. I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow, but the point is that we're halfway there. We'll get.
That's basically it, yeah.
Yes, that's basically it for today. So yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know when we post. And peace out, guys, and keep grinding.